In recent years, the international community has really refocused on the complexity of root canal systems, which are ubiquitous to virtually all teeth. Well-shaped canals hold a critical volume of reagent that can potentially penetrate, circulate, and clean into all aspects of the root canal system. Well-shaped canals become well-filled canals and become an opening for filling canals in 3 dimensions. There are many popular techniques to fill root canal systems that you can choose from among.